Take a ride in the 2021 Jetta. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, sport suspension, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes, traction control, rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.